Hi. Can I help you? Yes. Ducklings. Ducklings and gosling. What are you guys doing? Nibbling on my toes? You've gotten so big. Trying to integrate these ducks with the adult duck flock and the 2 adult geese, which I suspect are both males. And things haven't gone totally well so far. One of the males separates these guys away from the rest of the group and then kind of corners them all day and isn't too nice. So we still have them going in the A-frame at night. They need to move out soon so the chicks can go out because they're getting way too big for their den. I'm gonna get these quackers integrated with the others so they're one big happy flock. So this got a little overgrown. Drop my sunglasses. Oh boy. Looks like Mr. Pig got out of his enclosure. Oh boy. Just trying to suck down a burrito when all the barking started here. Oh, he just wants a swim. There, back! Back! Hey! Hey! He just wants to swim. Hey! Let him out. Hey! There! Gentle! Let the big guy get out if he wants to. Bend back! Gentle! Oh shit. Gentle! Go on back in your pen, Poa. Oh, he just wanted to take a swim. He was too hot. Some peaches this year. Good doggos. You almost have them back in, huh? Poa, go on back in, buddy. Poa. Come on, dude. Back in your pen, big guy. I can see where you got out. Right under here. And go in right under here. Poa, come on. This way, dude. You went in right under. Poa. Right under here, dude. You going under there? Go on back in your pen. Good pig. Good pig. Good pig. Attaboy. Yeah, you just know how to swim. Ah.